Augmented reality is a transformative technology that overlays digital information or computer-generated content onto the real-world environment. Unlike virtual reality, which creates a completely immersive digital experience, AR enhances our perception of the physical world by adding contextual information. This augmentation is typically experienced through devices such as smartphones, tablets, smart glasses, or AR headsets. Using sensors, cameras, and location data, AR devices recognize the user's surroundings and seamlessly integrate computer-generated elements, like images, text, or 3D models, into the real world in real time. AR applications span various fields, from gaming and navigation to education and retail. For example, AR can display directions on a city street, provide information about landmarks, or allow users to visualize furniture in their homes before purchasing. In essence, augmented reality bridges the gap between the digital and physical realms, enhancing our perception of reality and offering a new layer of interactive and informative experiences. It's a technology with the potential to revolutionize how we interact with information and the world around us. Subscribe to be the first to see upcoming videos.